Hi, judges. I'm Kyle,
I'm Claire.
and you've been watching some of our AI generated art. And this is all part of our VIP competition submission for spring 2022.
Together, we are part of the Art and AI team. We are under instructors Mark Lieber, who has more of an artistic background, and Ethan Truitt, who has more of a computer science background. And we specifically are the text-based image creation team.
Yeah, so as part of text based image creation, our objective is to enable creativity for all. What we mean by that is really if there's anything in your imagination that you want to bring to life, you can do it with minimal technical skill. No need for drawing or painting. What you can do is really just feed it into our network, play with it some more. It's not just an easy 1-2 step, but once you play with it, you can create some really cool works of art.
So how is this text to image done? So you start with an input, so some kind of prompt, something you want to see. It feeds into a VGAN and a clip, which are all in our generator model, and then you get output in an image. How is this done specifically?
So more specifically, we start with a generator model, and that generator model will create an image. Based on that, we have a second model called Clip, and Clip will take our given text prompt. How well does that text prompt match our image? Based on how well it matches, we have a score that calculates basically how well they're a match, and based on that score, we can provide feedback to our generator model to create a step in the right direction to better improve our image. So as you can see, when this restarts, we start with noise and we slowly iteratively match something that slowly matches our artistic prompt. Now, this is not all our own work by any means. It's been a huge online community and collaboration. Really, a big player has been OpenAI started releasing the Clip model and some Glide and some huge research papers. Catherine Crossan, or as her Twitter handle, Rivers Has Wings, released an open source collab notebook that really got the AI art prompt-based generation sphere going. And ever since that, we've been working on a lot of different of our own features. So one of them is getting more specific shapes. We applied some machine learning tricks versus our default of just sunset in a bottle where it's all about to keep it inside this bottle and really fit our artistic kind of vision for a piece. We've experimented many times with abstract prompts, and so going through the motions, the feeling of another's embrace, how do large data networks respond to very human concepts. Currently, we're doing some really exciting work with auto-reactive in music videos.
Yeah, so by stringing together the frames of each image given to us, we can kind of start to create music videos, and then we're looking at how we can analyze different audio to get information about the beat, the tempo, and really feed this back into our generator, use that as a parameter to get our frame to zoom at certain times that the beat drops, or shift, or transition to something else. Audio reactive software is by no means our own creation. This has been done before, as seen by this video. But our kind of spin on this is really getting audio reactive software to integrate with our text image generation and to create really specific music videos based on inputted music.
So yeah, we're really looking to allow artists to create their own custom videos that match not only their music, but really match their style. So here was a Gabriel K. Haynes song that we used in cohorts with him to match the lyrics. And really, I took a while to listen to the song and kind of get that vibe, how it made me feel, and create a piece that I felt was representative of that. Additionally, we are also looking at public displays. So we've been in contact with the people in the Media Bridge, live displays for Gabriel K. Haynes' Magnificent Bird concert, actually April 4th, this April, we will be performing for. And finally, AI. So what are the risks, you ask? I think the biggest risk is really knowing our data and the fact that we don't know our data. And so there are connections in our data that we might not see. And an example of that, the other day I was working to generate a peach, as in the fruit. And what showed up was this kind of human flesh fruit grotesque creation. And I realized it's because the peach emoji kind of represents human butts in internet culture. And so as a result, there was a connection I didn't see that affected my generation. And so this, once you get into kind of the dark nets of the internet, can really affect us.
Another question is the cost of our project. And so the biggest cost for us is computing resources. So we feel passionately enough about this project that we've been paying for premium Google Colab. But as our team grows, as our ideas grow, we do expect that these expenses are going to increase just to have the full amount of resources that we need.
But yeah, and so I think we've seen a lot of success and it's really been worth it, both on a research side and kind of the implementations we've been able to release on our own open source. And then also public art, we've gotten lots of interest in putting on loft displays and are in the current works of that. But we're really excited for those short-term goals, and we're also really excited for these long-term goals of just working to build more human creativity and allow more people to bring their ideas to life.
So thank you so much. That is our submission. I'm Claire again.
I'm Kyle. We'll provide our contact information at the end. If you have any questions, inquiries, or you'd like a demo, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.